Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is Hibernate in a Advanced Java and today's date is 21 November 22. Now we're first discussing the what is Hibernate in a Java. The Hibernate is used to overcome the limitations of a JDBC like the JDBC code is dependent upon the database software and beginning used to the our presentations of logic and dependency because of using of JDBC. Here we are using the interesting of a records and into the employee table, but overall query is the database and software depends. Here is already using in MySQL, but it is the changes of the database and then it is this query is want to the work. Then it is the if you working with a JDBC changing of a database in the middle of the project is very costly and the JDBC code is not prototable and code and across the multiple data software. In JDBC, executions of handling and mandatory to here we can be see that the handles lots of exceptions for the connections. Then it is the whilst working with the JDBC, there is no supports of the object level relationships and it is the JDBC occurs to the problems from the each and every project and then have a write the codes and increase the code length of reduce in the reliability to overcome the above the problem we over the ORM tools and nothing but the hybrids of frameworks by using the um, using the using we can be the avoid all the above problems and we can be enjoy the additional sets of functionality. Then about the frameworks of the frameworks which can be provide some abstraction layers and meanings that programs and does not have to worry about the implementation of the implementation does not implementations for the from the likes of establishing software connections and with the database writing and query and perform the operations. It is the Java framework which is used to develop a presentation of logic and presentations of logics means the store the and process of the data from long use and more precisely and precisely is open source on no lights and weights have a ORM. ORM is the object relation of a mappings and frameworks to develop the object which are the dependency of a database and software and make a dependency of a presentation logic called the Java JEE. The frameworks is means a special install able to the software and provided to the abstraction layer on more technologies like a JDBC servers, etc. Simply of the reducing complexity from the development process. Open source mean open source mean in the have the frameworks is the availables of the every without in the cost. It is the source of code in the also available in the inserts of the can be used modified. And lightweight of the means lightweight is less than size of the means installation package and not big size. Does not require too heavy to contents of the executions and it can be used along with the Java technology and framework. This is the some discussions of